Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited to have you here, and today we're going to be making native jollof rice, also known as Iwuk Edesi, and these are the ingredients we're going to be needing. We need Iru, bouillon powder and salt, diluted tomato paste, chopped red bell peppers, Cameroon pepper, pepper flakes, chopped onions, dry fish, palm oil, and of course rice. Let's get started. We're going to saute the onions by adding to the palm oil. After that, we'll add the tomato paste. Next, we'll add the bouillon powder and salt, the ground crayfish, Cameroon pepper, pepper flakes, the Iru, dry fish, chopped red bell peppers, and some meat stock. Then we'll let it simmer for a bit, for about 2 minutes. Next, we add the washed rice into a baking dish. You could also use a baking pan as well. Mix in the sauce till combined. Add the rest of the meat stock. Add the dry prawns. You cover the pan tightly and put it in the oven and let it bake at 400 degrees for about an hour. Open it up. Fluff up the rice. Then you add the vegetables, either it's spinach or ugu, whichever one you're using. Then you serve it. Thank you so much for watching. Please, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share with your family and friends, and please don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next yummy video. Bye bye.